Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, we am here again today. I'm so happy, I'm so excited to share this very look I'm wearing right now. So happy to share it with you guys. Yeah, I did a bold eye with glinters, silver glinters, and my nude lips. I just hope you guys like it. And I still want to tell you guys that I am not a makeup artist. I just developed love interest on doing makeup. It's one of my passion. I like doing it because when I know when a woman wear makeup, she look beautiful. Love makeup is something I love doing. Anytime I'm doing my makeup, I'm always happy. So I am here just to share my little experience, little way I do my makeup to those people that are like me, that are still struggling with makeup like me. Yeah, so that is why I am here. I just hope you guys like it, and if you do, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell as well. When you subscribe, share my video, comment, tell me, you guys should tell me what you guys want to see next on this channel, whatever makeup you want to see or whatever you want to see. So that is it. I will catch you guys in my next one. Till then, love, stay blessed. All right guys, love you guys.
Giddy bang bang, you. Chai dip on the sing so. Let them know.
It's Die Hard.
Today's video is all about I want to focus on my eyes. I'm going to use this prolonged wear from MAC that I normally use on my lid. This will make my eyeshadow pop more and last longer, and it will prevent it also from creasing. So that is why I use this. So I'm going to apply this on my lid. And I'm going to blend that with a brush. And I'm going to set all that with my loose powder from Primark. This Pro powder from Primark. The look we are going for today is silver glinters. So for that, I want to start. I know this is funny. I want to use this powder, this bronzing powder from Sephora as my transition shade. So I'm going to apply this with my brush on my lid. I'm using this brush right here. I'm going to touch the product. It's simple. So I'm going to apply that on my lid. I'm using from this palette, eyeshadow palette, Maonad. So for my brow bone, I'm going to use this. It will be difficult to show to you guys. This silver color right here on my brow bone. I'm just going to take a small brush, then apply that. Like this, and I'm going to blend it with the brush I use. Then I'll take a clean brush, then to blend that silver. So that it doesn't look patchy. You can see I'm blending it into the transition shade. So right now what I want to do, that same color, I want to pack it on my lid from here just to this side. From your inner teardrop, bring it inside. You drag it inside. Just follow that. You just have to follow the shape of your eyeball. Then you use the brown color to set all that here. I want to add these glinters on my lid. I think I should spray my brush with freeze spray to make it easier. From Miss Rose. And I'm going to use these glinters right here on top. Here I'm going to add mascara to my lashes. Yeah, all over my face. I'm using this mascara that I normally use. This is from Primark, Runaway Ready. This is my lashes. So now I have put my lashes. So I'm going to use this eyeliner from Kiko to line my waterline. It's brown color, brownish color. So I'll use that to line my waterline. Then I'm going to take the bronzing powder from Sephora to smoke my waterline. So that is it. Let me fix my hair and I'll be right back. So guys, my hair is on. Yeah, this is the finished look. Yeah, that is it. Bye. I will see you guys in my next one. Ciao, ciao. Bye.